Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with this month with BitUnix, who are offering a $5,500 of bonuses for first time depositors on their platform. Some very cool trading fund bonuses and other perks, so make sure to sign up with them. We've also partnered with Funded Bits, who are giving a great discount on their funded challenges right now, 20%. Amazing trading platform and conditions, so make sure to get involved there as well. Also make sure to grab your sign up bonuses from our other exchange partnerships with BingX and BitTrue. They're offering a ton of free money, so be sure to sign up and get deposited with them as well. BitTrue specifically has some incredible bonuses right now for signing up and depositing. They're a great exchange, so make sure to go get involved on their platform depositing and trading. Alright then, we're just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame for another daily update on our channel. As we can see, bouncing up over the past few days from that 0.23 Fibonacci level yet again. Bitcoin obviously leading the market right now, so we'll be taking a look at Bitcoin to show you what's been going on. You can see we've had some crazy chop for Bitcoin recently, to be honest. As I've said in previous videos many times at this point, when I saw Bitcoin starting to go sideways in this range like this, and we've got those huge bearish divergences going in, higher highs on the price action, lower highs on our RSI, and then we started to come into this area here for that few weeks at the start of February. I knew that we were going to have a drop to the downside and a retrace down into this area. I did mark this area out here, which pretty much was perfectly tagged by the drop. I said that we would probably come down and retest into this 75k area. We got down to 78.5k, so obviously a very nice place to be getting down into. Bitcoin obviously needed to have a big correction after this huge move here. Obviously this was almost a 50% retrace of this particular move, which is nice to see. Healthy correction in the market. Got that huge drop to the downside, followed by a bounce back up into this area of liquidity, and then chopped all the way back down again and all the way back up again. You can see this hourly price action is absolutely ridiculous. Big 5-10k swings per day. It's pretty insane price action for Bitcoin. Probably never seen volume like this, to be honest, in terms of just chopping up and down. I did say in a previous video a few days ago we were going to see some significant chop for Bitcoin, and that's exactly what has been happening. And you can see now we're back testing again into this previous level of support as resistance. We could easily see ourselves chopping around in a range something like this. If I can just get my magnet to cooperate, I think we could easily see ourselves chopping around in a range like this for a good while, going sideways underneath this previous support as resistance like this as we cool off. All of this for Vechain just means that basically we're doing all of this price action. You can see this looks pretty similar to this, but we're all doing it on a downtrend basically, as altcoins always do. They continue to sell off and sell off when Bitcoin is chopping sideways or having a little bit of a bearish period or a bearish drop. You can see Vechain's pretty much categorically been in a downtrend ever since we came up and made this 7.8 cent high up here. Got very overbought. You can see we've got a very nice parabolic move like the whole of the altcoin space did when Trump won the election for about a month, and then since then we've pretty much retraced all of those gains as the markets have been chopping around for Bitcoin and chopping the altcoin market to death, as is often the case. In terms of Vechain specifically, you can see we're playing out a little bit of a small version of what Bitcoin's been doing. We had that period of sideways followed by the breakdown, the retest, the continuation, and now we're coming back up to retest again. Triple retest of the 0.23 Fibonacci down here, which was this previous level of resistance as support. Looking like we're getting very oversold as well. Vechain very much trickling to the downside right now with, in my opinion, no real impetus. We are starting to reject these downside moves in a big way. I think we could start, like I said, with Bitcoin to go sideways for a while in this area. If that's the case, we'll be looking at a nice consolidation for Vechain in a similar manner, I think, to perhaps in this previous consolidation before the last pump. You can see trickled to the downside for a while in a similar manner to this, and then we started to put in a bit of a range going sideways, which I think we could do pretty soon, maybe in this area here like this near the 0.23 as support. and then start to move back up like this once we break that range. This is something that I'll be looking for. I'll also be looking to get long on Vechain over the next few weeks, depending on how things play out in the market. If we start going sideways here, I'll be looking to take some kind of position like this, targeting back up over the overall highs, and I'll probably just trail the stop loss if we do get back up towards this area. Vechain right now just basically following the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're looking for that 5th wave towards the all-time high, aren't we? In the peak of the bull market. Right now things are still, you would say the volume is still pretty low for Vechain compared to last market. You can see the last market was pretty much just a parabolic curve to the upside, but we could still have ourselves having all-time highs for Vechain this year if the altcoin market responds correctly. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another daily video. Make sure to go down below and sign up with BitUnix for a massive bonus on sign up. Get involved with our other exchange partnerships as well for free sign up bonuses, and like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.